For a slip stitch hem, I first turned under 3/8 of an inch. You could do any amount here. I stitched it just to make things easier. Then I pressed my hem up the required amount, coming from the side of the hem. I'm going to take my needle and go up through that fold that I created. This was also pressed. Come right out of there. And then just pick up a small amount of fabric right here. And then continue placing my needle within this fold. So then from the right side of the fabric, depending on how small or how big and how far apart these stitches are, you'll be able to see them or not see them so much. And it will also keep this hem enclosed.